at you. Look at you. Arrow, are you the cutest little alien I've ever seen? Whoa. Look how styling you are. Hi. Hi. I love you. You're such a good little alien. Oh. Hello everybody, how are we doing? I am tired. I had a bit of a day yesterday. I tried vlogging, but this vlog is just gonna be like all over the place. It's really just like hangout, chit chat, a lot of unboxings. I've been getting Halloween costumes. And a big thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. We are gonna get in here and I'm gonna share some of my favorite snacks. But let's touch on yesterday for a second because I think it will explain my mindset today of why I'm so tired and I've had a rough go of it. I'm actually going to have a panic attack right now. I need to pump. I don't have Arrow and my pump is missing a piece. So I Instacarted a Medela pump and I swear this piece is missing. And I don't know what to do. Just to now, I was literally up every hour last night trying to hand express myself and I feel very engorged and tired. But I am once again inspired to try to have a good day and just vlog what really happens. Let's get into my little grocery snack haul. I love Thrive Market. I think this is my third video with them. I became a member in December 2020. So you can either have an annual membership, which I think comes to like $5 a month, or monthly, which is $9.95 if I remember right. But I personally just think the annual one makes the most sense. If you're gonna be shopping for food every single month, then it is the most cost-effective option. I personally started using Thrive Market when I went dairy-free. I am eating dairy now, but I still have my faves that are vegan. These little hip peas, I love. It's really easy to shop if you have like any type of dietary need, vegan, dairy-free, keto, paleo. On Thrive, they make it really easy to shop whatever your needs are, and my needs are all of the snacks right now. I pretty much use them to stock up on all of my essentials that I know I will use every single month. Like this chickpea bonza pasta, my favorite. This is actually a new snack I am trying, but I like to get things like this from Thrive because they actually are cheaper than they are in the supermarket. So I just got a bunch of packs of snacks. I tend to like to do big orders. You'll see there's a lot of stuff in here because orders over $49 ship for free. They do carbon neutral shipping from their zero waste warehouses. They also have great little baby snacks, and through Thrive Gives, they have a 1-for-1 matching membership. So when you get a membership, it gives a membership to a low income family. And to date, they have donated over $4 million of healthy groceries to families in need. My other go-to essentials are these Primal Kitchen pasta sauces. I love them. And of course, coconut milk. This is the best one I found for my chia pudding. If you want to try out Thrive today for yourself, I do have a promo with them for 25% off your first order plus a free gift. I will have the link down below, but it's just www.thrivemarket.com/BrittanyBaylin. Try it, get 25% off your first order and a free gift. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little tour of my haul, screenshot it. I recommend literally everything I bought. Welcome home, boo-boo. Your doggy says hi. Still didn't put this away, did I? Okay. This might be my only time to film this, but I have Arrow. We're going to go see her grandma today, not my mom, her other grandma, and we're in a rush. I have her watching Cocomelon right there on mute, so I'm gonna be bouncing back and forth and she's probably gonna make an appearance, but I wanted to share some of the mommy and me costumes that I have been getting. I honestly was not a big Halloween person, but I am so excited to dress Arrow up, and you can kind of see I went a little overboard. I got options because I just didn't know what size she was gonna be. Hello, She's in her new little two-piece suit. It's from Smitten Baby. BB. Oh, she sees her passy. Okay, right now you can have it. We don't do the passy during the day, but I do it when like I film or take photos. You want to show your first outfits? Okay, this is from Target, and I think it runs small. It's, okay, no, it's 6 to 12 months, but it was the biggest size I had, and it definitely is too small. She's also kind of scared of the pumpkin, but such a cute, warm option that is not going to fit you. I did get a little, Arrow, do you want to look at your little basket? The little basket's from Target too. Look, you can collect things in here. Look, you can put, you want this? Look, you say trick or treat, and then you put it in here. And then you put it in here. Yeah! You want to put it, good job! Now you have your little passies. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, the theme I had pretty much for all the costumes is Toy Story. So this is the little alien, and I got this in 18 to 24 months. This is Fashion Nova. So this is one option for us. We're both little aliens. I kind of want to try it on right now, but I don't want to make her angry. Let's see if I can do it. I did do one other Toy Story option. Okay, this is... Arrow, you want to come look at this? Look. Come here. Look. Look at this. Look at this. This is... Come here. Whoa. Whoa. What are you doing? You silly goose. Here, we got to leave this right here. Come here. Come here. Look. Do you want your passies? Here you go. Okay, so I got her Jessie, and then I don't know where this one was from, but it's like a adult style Woody costume. You know, not as appropriate, but I was gonna wear it with denim shorts because I don't think I'm denim bikini. I don't know, maybe. But I pictured it with denim shorts. And then I got this in 18 to 24 months. I want to try it on. Should we? Think. Oh, I wish you could help me zip this. Okay, let's put your costume on. Where are you going? Oh my God, she is not gonna wanna wear this, I can tell you that much. Ooh, this is a good warm one too. Hi, do you wanna be an alien like mommy? Bakla! Bakla! Hold on. Okay, one arm. One more arm. There you go. Good job. You look so good. Look at you. Look at you. You look stunning. You look, Mommy's gonna get these on. It's so cute. Okay, I would definitely rate these costumes a 10 out of 10. I can't zip this up by myself, but I feel like it's cute. And as a new mom, I'm not about to DIY a costume. Props to you if you do it, but if you'd like to take the easy option like me, this is so cute and warm, and I can't believe she's wearing the headpiece like this. This is actually comfy. You could definitely make this more modest and put like a blue or green tutu on or skirt, but like, this is so cute. Arrow, are you the cutest little alien I've ever seen? It is the next day. My house is such a mess. It has been such a hectic past couple of days. I feel like I film for like 10 minutes a day and that's all I can do. Yesterday, no naps happened, so I didn't get to show you the second look. I am dedicated, so I put it on. I'll show you what that looks like, and I'm gonna try to get Arrow to wear hers because I need to see if it fits. And then you can help me choose which one to wear on Halloween. How does mommy look? You want your bun bun? Oh wait, I left your shoesies in here. I left your shoesies. Okay. Pull up the pants. Oh, these are a little bit big. These are a little bit big, boo-boo. Whoa. Look how styling you are. Look how styling. You want to try on the little hat too? I'm going to try to put a hat on you. Little boots for her to wear. I don't even think we're gonna see them with the pants. Did you suck your... Oh no, your arms are there. Your arms are there. Hi. 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 I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay, you want to try the hat on one more time or no hat? This one is definitely a little bit more difficult. I feel like if you have like an older kid, hat would work. Oops. It's the best, I feel like, look of it we're gonna get. It's too big for her. She can't even walk around in it. So for that reason, but also I just feel like the other outfit was so much more comfortable for both of us. I think the alien might be the winner. I'm sorry, I thought this was gonna be a comfy one, boo-boo. If you are interested in this outfit, I don't think I got it from Fashion Nova, but I think Fashion Nova sells it. But it really doesn't come with a lot. I kind of added my own stuff. So it comes with these as bottoms, which was not working for me. So I actually got these shorts from Fashion Nova. It does come with this little belt with these harnesses. So you could do like over the knee socks, or boots would be really cute. It does come with this and then like a red handkerchief that is so small I can't get it to stay around my neck. But I just had this hat, I feel like from Urban Outfitters from forever ago. And then if you like cowboy boots, that's a good option. And you could even honestly just pair this with jeans and do like a regular belt. Honestly, this would have just been really easy to do if I just had like a yellow flannel. I'm gonna rate this one like a 6 out of 10. The other one, what did I give? I don't know. I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. For Arrow, that alien was like a 10 out of 10. The Jessie costume is gonna be like a 4 out of 10. I definitely want to plan like a pumpkin patch day. Oh, you have your popsicle? There you go. There's your popsicle. I got those Good Pops from Thrive Market. She is obsessed with them. I just wrap a paper towel around it and then put a baby sock so it's not too cold on her hands. Yeah, I want to plan like a pumpkin patch, hayride, some outdoor Halloween activities because I'm gonna guess that trick-or-treating is not happening like normal probably for a while. So let me know what your guys' plans are for Halloween. I feel like it's gonna come up so fast. Do you have costume ideas? I'd love to hear what you guys are doing down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and don't forget to check out Thrive Market, 25% off your first order plus a free gift. I'll have the link down below and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye!